cost of preference, cost of equity, cost of retained earning, etc., etc. So now let us go and start learning. So till this we did even term loan is done. Now next is cost of preference share capital. What is the formula for cost of preference share capital? Again, KP is preference share capital. D is the, we will not write D, we will use the DP, dividend on preference share. Okay. F is again redemption price, P is again issue price, N is maturity value. So it will remain same except the interest aspect and the tax, because on preference dividend we never get the benefit of tax. So the formula for KP is, so it will be KP cost of preference. This part will be just DP, that is dividend on preference share, and rest will be as it is. Making sense? Okay, D I have taken as DP, F minus P upon N, F plus P upon 2. Same, D, F minus P upon N, F plus P upon 2. Okay, dear student. Now, can you get me the answer of this question? Question number 4. So, only in book you write KP as cost of preference share and DP is preference dividend. Rest all you have written earlier. These two things. KP is cost of preference share, DP is dividend on preference share. So again the face value of preference share is 100, dividend is 14%. So from here, shares are redeemable after 12 years. Net realizable value is 95. What will be the cost of preference share? Try to get me the answer. Face value 100, dividend 14%, redeemable after 12 years, realizable value 95. What will be the cost of preference share?
Zero point 1478. Sir, you are on mute.
Let me see one answer, yours. Other also, let them give the answer.
Yes, sir.
Question number 4, page number 160. Hmm.
सर मेरा 5.7 आ रहा है.
Sir, it is 0.1479.
Let me see. I think this way we will go. 14% was dividend. Okay. Face value is 100. Share is redeemable at par. At par manje the redemption price is 100. Issue price is 95. It is of 12 years. So here it will be 12 years. 14 this 95. So how much you are getting? 5 divided by 12.
0.416.
Then 100 plus 95 divided by 2.
97.5.
So what is the simplified version? How much you are getting here?
Zero point 1478.
The answer. How many of you got?
Sir,
सर मेरा 5.7 आ रहा है.
गलत है ना वो.
ओके सर.
जो राइट है वो मैंने अभी करवा दिया. देखो. Making sense for all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now again, I'm sure next question when you will take up. See, what is the problem with you? You don't know basic mathematics. That is why you are putting such kind of errors. किसी को कहीं भी डिवाइड कर देते हो, किसी को कहीं Bodmas rule is very important. Okay. Well, there is one more question that you do it. I believe that will give me the confidence. First, take down this answer, then we'll go for that. So tomorrow, kindly read first and second unit, because since when your exam is starting?
Sir, 8.
8th ना?
7.
म्हणजे मेरा कल
Yes,
लास्ट
sir.
लेक्चर है ना 8th के पहले.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
तो कल मैं अपने बच्चों को टेस्ट कर लेना चाहता हूँ ना. आई एम नॉट कंसर्न अबाउट अदर्स. जो आ रहे हैं उनके लिए तो टेस्टिंग करना पड़ेगा ना मुझे. इतना आता है आपको. पढ़ के आइएगा. यूनिट 1 एंड यूनिट
Sir,
2,
why?
थियरी एंड प्रैक्टिकल बोथ.
Okay, sir.
You have completed this.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Only 2 बच्चों का. What about remaining?
Yes, sir. Sir, tomorrow we have to write, or you will ask us orally and we have to give viva.
Tomorrow at what time your session is there? 10 o'clock के बाद मैं नहीं ले सकता.
Sir, आपका 10 o'clock का ही लेक्चर. 10 to
नहीं, I
10:40.
am having PhD viva.
तो सर आप फिर अनुराधा 9 to 9:40 फ्री है कल. अब लेक्चर नहीं है तभी, तो आप तब ले सकते हो. तो ठीक है, चलेगा.
8 o'clock का क्या है तुम लोग का शेड्यूलिंग?
अनुराधा मैम का लेक्चर, स्टैटिस्टिकल एनालिसिस.
ठीक है, मैं देखता हूँ, मैं बताता हूँ. मैं तो कभी एक्स्ट्रा लेक्चर ले
Okay, sir.
लेता हूँ, या शाम को ले लूंगा. 10 o'clock I am not free. There is PhD viva उसको लेना है. ठीक है. Okay, I believe now you can do one more question we have on preference capital. Question number 5. मैं कोई हिंट नहीं दूंगा, आपको खुद से सॉल्व करना है. आई एम गिविंग यू 5 minutes.
Sir, done.
Sir, done.
Done हो गया.
Sir, done.
Done, sir.
Done.
अरे बाबा, why you are taking so much of time यार एक एक क्वेश्चन पे?
Sir, we have already done.
सर हम
Tell
लोग
me
ने
the
बोला भी कि
answer.
डन करिए.
नहीं, चैट बॉक्स में तो
जीरो
डालो आंसर.
पॉइंट 1247.
Sir, 12.3%.
या तो 0.12 बोल या तो 12 point. हाँ. Let me see whether this answer is right or not.
12.32, sir.
12.4.
32.
Sir, 12.32. Correct.
हैं? क्या क्या क्या
सर
कर रहे हैं तुम लोग?
12.0.1247.
कुछ भी एक 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 कांस्टेंट आंसर आना चाहिए.
It's 12.32, sir.
It's
Let me see
12.47.
बेटा, let me see.
12.47.
अरे बाप. What is the face value? 100 lakhs. Okay. C2C has recently come out with preference issue true of turn of 100 lakhs. Okay. Each preference face value चलो 100 हो गया. Dividend 12 हो गया. Shares are redeemable 10 years. So N is 10. Premium पे है. So now it is 104. And realizable value is 98. Okay. चलो done. Got it. So here it will be 12. Here it will be 104. Yes, no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
And here it will be 98.
90.
10 years, 10 years.
10 years.
Simplify karo. How much you got here?
12.6.
Now 104 minus 98. 6. 6 divided by 10. 0.06.
0.6.
6 है ना? हाँ, sorry, 10 है ना?
Yes, sir.
6, 0. And 104 plus 98. 202. Again
202
101 आ रहा
divided
है.
by 2. 101.
Now what is the value?
Yes. 12.6 divided by 101. 0.1247.
0.1.
247.
247.
Yes, sir.
देखो.
12.47%.
Is it correct now? $12.47 is right answer. Now let us proceed for next. That is last one, cost of equity. Cost of equity, again, I told you, we will consider DE, dividend on equity. Yes. So the price of equity is equal to DE divided by issue price plus growth rate. G is what? Growth rate. Okay. So very simple it is. So cost of equity now. Cost of equity is dividend on equity divided by price of equity plus growth rate. G, sorry, small g. Okay. If you want, you can write down. This is the formula for equity. Dividend on equity divided by price of equity plus growth rate. So now let us go for question number 6. Page number 165. Get me the answer for this question. But be faster. Now we have little time.
सर डी या पी का आपने क्या बोला था?
D E is dividend on equity. P is price of equity. G is growth rate.
ओके सर.
Zero
Tomorrow
point one seven
I will
six.
not be able to take your session. Tomorrow evening I will take. Huh? It will not be a
Okay,
session.
sir.
It will be a practice for your exam.
So 0.76 not 76 13.6%.
0.7 or 7.6. Let me see. What was the dividend on equity? What was the dividend on equity?
12.
12.
12.
Okay. What was the price on market price of equity? 120.
125.
Plus growth rate
8%.
कितना 8. 8%. So how much you are getting?
0.176.
0.1 is equivalent to 17.6.
19.6%.
Got everyone? समझा आप लोगों को?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
ओके. यस, वेरी राइट. ये वाला खुद से करो. क्वेश्चन नंबर 17. Question number 7.
Sir 0.1454.
Wow.
Sir, 0.1454 or 14.54%.
Superb. Excellent. चलो जाते जाते आपने बहुत तसल्ली दी.